Look student, now today we are going to solve that exercise 6.3 class 10 general maths question number 9. In the figure 6.39, as you can see in the video, triangle ABC and triangle AMP are two right angle triangles, right angle at B and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC is similar triangle AMP, CA by PA equal to BC by MP. Look here now student, this is a diagram as you can see in the video, and ABC is a triangle right angle at B and AMP is one more triangle right angle at M. We need to prove that triangle ABC similar triangle AMP, first one, and second one is CA by PA and BC by MP. So let's have a look how to solve this one. Question number 9. Look student, this is a diagram as you can see in the video, and question number 9, the given part I have written from main book. ABC and AMP are two right angles, right angle at B and M respectively. We have to prove that triangle ABC similar triangle AMP and CA by PA and BC by MP. Now look after that. Look student, this is the rough sketch which I have drawn in rough page, and for making you the understand very clearly. Now look, first one I will write here that proof. Now look after that. In triangle ABC, which means this triangle, and triangle AMP, in these two triangle, this is 90 degree and this part is 90 degree. Now look here, we'll write here that, in triangle, this is the first one, Roman 1, we're going to prove now here. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP. Now look after that. Here triangle ABC means, look here now, angle ABC and angle AMP both are 90 degree. Angle ABC means angle B and angle AMP means these two are 90 degrees. So angle ABC equal to angle AMP, we write here that each 90 degree, first one. Now student, look the second case. If I write angle BAC means common at A, and if I write angle PAM common at A, now look, or AMP, if I write BAC means common at A or angle PAM means common at A, we'll write here now angle BAC equal to angle PAM. Look here in the diagram, angle BAC means angle A here and angle PAM means again angle A, means common angle. So we'll write here now common angle, common at angle A. So for the similarity, two reason is enough. So here we can write therefore triangle ABC similar triangle AMP, and reason is here that angle criteria. So our first proof, look here now student, our first proof is that triangle ABC similar triangle AMP, which is already being proved here. So first one is over. Now Roman 2. Now look student, Roman 2 is here that we need to prove that, CA by PA equal to BC by MP. So students, look here now in the diagram. In the Roman 2, we need to prove that CA by PA and BC by MP. Look here now student, CA is the part of triangle ABC and PA is the part of triangle AMP. One more time here, that BC is the part of triangle ABC and PM is the part of triangle AMP. So look, in this case, In the first case, we have already proved that triangle ABC is similar triangle AMP. Already proved that here. So we'll just use that theorem here, or this formula only, or you can say that this content only. We'll write here now. Since triangle ABC similar triangle AMP, therefore last line CA by PA, directly we can write here, because no need to go for the further proof. Already we have proved here one time, Roman 1 already proved here, so no need to write again and again this one, then this one, not required. Since it is already proved here, so we we can directly taking this one as since, then CA by PA equal to BC by MP. But student, the thing is that actually, if in the question Roman 1 part, if it is not mentioned in the question but only given Roman 2, then in that case particularly we need to do the first part, then we'll go for the second one. I repeat again, in the question if first part is not given, only second part given, then we have to do first part first, then we'll go for the second one. But if in the question only given the first part, then we'll do up to this much. But if in the question given both the part, then we'll do the first part. After that we'll go for the second one directly. Now the reason here I am writing by the side here, since triangle ABC similar triangle AMP, CA by PA equal to BC by MP. Now look after that. Corresponding sides of similar triangle, corresponding sides of similar triangles, so similar triangles are proportional. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. This is the reason of this one. And our first one and second one, Roman 1 and Roman 2, both are proved. So we'll write here now, hence proved.